Good morning, students. Today we will begin exercise 5.4. These all questions are based on exponents. These all are word problems. Okay. Question number 1. Rishi saves money to buy a sari for his mother. Okay, he is saving money, but he puts rupees 2 in a piggy bank on the first day. First day, suppose he put 2 rupees in his piggy bank. He is saving money, and each day he doubles the amount he saves from the day before. Means in every next day the amount gets double. Means he saves double amount. Okay, how much money does he save on the 10th day? Suppose first day he has put rupees 2. Then second day double of 2 means 4. Third day double of 4, that is 8. Okay, in this manner, look at here. Question number 1. First day Rishi saves rupees 2. Okay, means 2 to the power 1, that is 2 only. Second day rupees double of 2 means rupees 4. We can write 4 as 2 square. Third day double of 4, that is 8. We can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Fourth day double of 8, that is 16. 16 we can write as 2 to the power 4. Fifth day double of 16, that is 32. Sixth day double of 32, that is 64. Seventh day double of 64, that is 128. Means every day it is written, every next day the amount he is saving double of the previous day. Okay, 8th day double of this. 9th day double of, just make double of this. And 10th day just double of this. And you know the pattern is coming like this: 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 5, 6, 7. Means this amount you will get if you will multiply 2 with itself 8 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like this. Similarly, 2 to the power 9 and 2 to the power 10 on the 10th day. That is amount 1000 rupees 24. Means on the 10th day he will save rupees 2 to the power 10, that is 1024. Okay. Question number 2. In a school, the teacher gives a message to 4 students of her class. Okay, one message is given to the 4 students in a class, and each of those students convey the same message to the other 4 students, and so on. So on means what is happening? Teacher given a message to the 4 students, and those 4 students will give message to the other 4 students. Each will give to the 4 students. Each will give to the 4 students. Similarly, this pattern is going on. Okay, and how many students will get the message on the 5th round? Round wise means you will understand through this figure. Suppose this is a message given by teacher. Okay, to whom? 4 students: student number 1, student number 2, student number 3 and student number 4. And it is said that each student will again give message to the 4 student. So this student number 1 has given message to the 4 student. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This student 2 has given message to the other 4 student. 1, 2, 3, 4. This again 1, 2, 3, 4, and this also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. He has given to 4 student. He has also to 4, 4, 4, like this. It is coming the pattern. Okay. Then in the first round 1, 2, 3, 4 student got the message. In the second round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 means 4 square. Okay. Similarly, third round, this is first round, this is second. Now third round, each student will give again to the 4 student. Means this student is going to give to the 4 student. 1, 2, 3, 4. This he will also give to the 4 student. 1, 2, 3, 4. He will also give to the 4 student. 1, 2, 3, 4. And he will again give to the 4 student. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, they will also give, each one will give to the 4 student this message. Okay. Then how many students in the third round? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, then 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Okay, that is in the third round 64 student will get the message. And what is happening? Third round. Now fourth round. Again this student will give to the other 4 student. This student will give to the other 4 student. This student will give to the other 4 student. He will also give to the other. Similarly, he will give to the 4. He will give. Similarly, this will go on for the fourth round also. And again for the fifth round also, each student will give to the other 4 student. So diagram we cannot draw up to the fifth round. It will be very difficult. So, but we know the pattern through this exponent. That in the first round 4 to the power 1. We have seen the second round there was 16, so 4 to the power 2. In the third round there was 64, so 4 to the power 3. So similarly we can write for the fourth round like this. First round 4 student have got. Second round 4 square student means 16 student. Third round 4 to the power 3 student means 64. And fourth round similarly we can write 4 to the power 4 because 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 256 is 4 to the power 4 means what? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 4 times. That will be equal to 256 students. Now fifth round 4 to the power 5 students. That is 1024. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 5 times if you will do, we will get 1024. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this. Here exponential helped us to find out the fourth and fifth round. Okay. So 1024 students get the message in the fifth round. You can write it like this. Okay. Now question number 3. Pooja wants to predict the number of likes she will get on her blog. She is writing a blog. Suppose she is a blogger. Then she has got the like. She received 3 likes on her first blog during the first week. First week she has got 3 likes. Okay. If the number of likes triples every week, 3 times. Triple means every week the likes is getting triples. Multiplied by 3. How many likes will she receive during the 8th week? So you can write it. First week number of likes is 3. Okay. Second week we know every week the likes is getting triples itself. Triples means multiplied by 3. So we will multiply 3 into this 3. That we can write as 3 square. That is 9 likes. Third week she will get triples of the previous. Previous was 9. So it's triple. 3 into 9 that is equal to 3 to the power 3. That is 27. 27 likes. Fourth week triples of the previous means 27. It's triples you have to write. Okay. That is equal to what? 3 to the power 4 square 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, then 3 to the power 4. Okay, 27 into 3 that is equal to 81, and 81 we can write as 3 to the power 4. Fifth week she will get triples of the previous, that is 3 into 81, that is 3 to the power 5, that is equal to 243. Now similarly sixth week triples of this. Seventh week triples of 729. This is 729. Okay. And eighth week she will get 729 into 3. You will get 2187. Multiply it. You will get 3 into 3 into 3. 7 times if you will multiply, we will get 2187. That is equal to 729 into 3. Okay. Eighth week 3 into this. 3 to the power 8, that is 6561 likes. Multiply it, you will get the same. Okay, so it is also going in pattern exponential form. So how many likes she has got? She will get 6561, that is equal to 3 to the power 8 likes in the 8th week. Okay. Okay, so I hope you have understood question number 3 also. Now students, question number 4 and 5 is your homework. Question number 4 is also easy. You can do it. Try out. If you will not be able to do, then I am there to help you. But first you have to try question number 4 and 5. Okay? And complete your mental maths and practice time also.